Hi guys, my name's Graham and I'm one of the PPC Account Managers here at Flexxable. We've had quite a few questions come in pertaining to Facebook advertising, so I thought I'd take you through one of the more popular ones which people are having trouble with. But the popular question today is going to be how to install the Facebook pixel and ensure that it's firing on all your pages, and basically that you're getting the right sort of information from your pixel. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to do a bit of a screencast for you so you can follow along and make sure you can follow step by step of how to put the pixel onto your pages through Google Tag Manager and the Facebook Business Manager.
Right, so the first thing you want to do when downloading your Facebook pixel is ensure you've got Google Tag Manager. So you want to sign up for an account. This is a really good tool. Basically, you can just put the script on one of your Unbounce pages, and you can put a lot of JavaScript into the container, which I'm going to show you in a minute. It just makes it a bit easier than having to put every little bit of script onto each page of your funnel. So we're going to go to create an account. So just for an example, let's do Flexxable Limited. There we go. And just pick the country you're in. Pretty simple. Press continue. Then again, I'll just put flexxable.com, and it's on the web. So pick the web if it's a website. Create. Yeah. Make sure you read the terms and conditions. And then that should be created now. Okay. So here's the script that you have to use. So if we go on to Unbounce, it should all be in the course, but I'm just going over it again. Flex Digital. So for example, on our home page, you press edit. So it should be done here where it says JavaScript. So you want to add new JavaScript. So the script name, so we'll be doing GTM Head, and you want to put this in the head section, and you want to copy the bit where it says the header code, pop that in there, and you want to press save code. Then you want to go in and add the body, so that's GTM body, and then you want to add the body bit. Cool. Save code, and you want to press save, and then you want to republish it. Okay, so that means your Google Tag Manager is now on the page that you want the pixel to be on, and you can add this Tag Manager to any pages you want the pixel to be on. It's easy because in Google Tag Manager you can put Google Analytics, Hotjar, other sorts of code, and you just got to put it in this one place, and as long as the Google Tag Manager is on all your pages in the funnel, all those scripts will be added without, you know, the necessity to put it on every single page, which can be a bit laborious. Okay, so now that's all set up, we want to get the Facebook pixel into Google Tag Manager. So to do this, you want to go into your Business Manager. Mine's already gone there. So just to show you, so in this you want to go to Events Manager and Pixels. Now you want to select the account that you're working from, and then sometimes you have a few pixels in there, but you want to pick the pixel that you've put on your ads. It's the one you'll be using for your ads. So you click on that, and to set it up, you just go up to Setup, and because we're using Google Tag Manager, we're going to go to Use an Integration or Tag Manager. Click on that one. Select Google Tag Manager from the list of options, read the rigmarole, and then press continue. So select your account. Yep, so you want to pick the one that you've just created, which was Flexxable Limited. Make sure the container is correct, which was flexxable.com, and you want to press finish setup. Now you see where it says here download Pixel Helper. I would definitely do that. I'll show you how it can work in a minute. So basically that's the Pixel setup. So you want to go into Google Tag Manager, refresh it. You just want to double check that it's in the tags section. Brilliant, and that is the Facebook pixel you just put in there. You can double check by checking the pixel number, which is here. So it ends in 6046, and that ends in 6046. So that is the correct Facebook pixel. So then you want to go up here and press submit. This is just a descriptive name for the version that you've just created. So we're going to call it Facebook pixel because that's all we've added. Publish. Right, so now that is working. So to double check that it's working correctly on your page, which is an important part of this, you want to go to the actual page. Right, so it's on there. And now you want to go up to Facebook Pixel Helper. So you want to click on that. Now you want to double check that the pixel ID matches up with your pixel, which I believe it does, 6046. 6046, brilliant. Yep, so that is perfect. Please ensure to put the Facebook pixel and Google Tag Manager on every page of the funnel. So you want it on the advertorial, you want it on the landing page, and you want it on the thank you page. That way you get the best feedback and analytics from Facebook. So yeah, that's the end of the tutorial.
Well guys, thanks a lot for following that, and I do hope that it will help you in your future endeavours within Facebook advertising. If you have any questions at all on what I've shown you, if you could comment below so we can kind of give you a bit of more feedback if I've missed anything. Because basically, yeah, we just want to make sure that it's all working for you and you do the best you can out of your ads. So thanks a lot guys.